Also, I did the graph, but I forgot to send you the photo. So I'll send you the photo today.
Okay.
And the first sum I did not do.
Right?
I forgot about doing it. I thought you had told me to do only the graph. So I did the graph and I kept it. I have the graphs done also here. I have done the graphs. But I forgot to do the sum.
Okay.
Also, one graph is like the thing which is coming, like the answer is in points, like the final answer is in points, like -6, -1.5. So x will be -6 and y will be -1.5 in
Which
the fourth one. So in points also it's okay, no?
it is okay, but I'll have to check how you have done the graph first.
Should I send you the photo now?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. So the first picture that you sent, that is which question number?
In the order 3, 4, and then 5. First one is the third one. 2x minus y is equal to 3, comma 3x minus y is equal to 2. Second one is 3x minus 4y is equal to 7, equal to -7 is equal to, and comma 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. And third one is 2x minus 3y equals to 4, and second one I've not written. So that question. Did you get it or no?
Yeah. Yeah, all three are correct. Okay, so the remaining the first sum.
Sixth sum. Sixth. Yeah, first sum and sixth sum.
Sixth one, what
Sixth
graph? Graph we
Yeah,
did not do.
that is left.
Okay.
No, you didn't. You were going to do the starred one in the textbook.
At the points, we discussed the points, right?
No, we didn't start with the sum.
Yeah, we did.
We did.
Yes.
What was this one? One second.
Yeah, you did the sixth one, 8,4 that you got. That is the sixth one.
Oh, so I sent you 4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, so from 1.4, right? We have started 1.4.
Yes, shall I do the first sum and
Yes, right now.
okay. Just 1 minute. Yeah, the first.
Yeah, so the first sum. So what will you do? Can you tell me what will you substitute?
1 in the bracket 2, uh,
1 up.
2
Huh.
upon x.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, correct.
huh?
Yes, yes,
Huh?
correct. Huh. 2 is there in the numerator.
So 2 will be inside, right?
No,
1
no,
and 2 upon x.
no, no. What is in the numerator, you write it outside the bracket.
Okay, so 2 and then 1 upon x up inside, and then 3 and then 1 upon y inside.
Yes, is equal to 15. Similarly, for the second one, so what will you write outside the bracket? 8 into,
1 upon x plus 5 1 upon y.
and after this step, you'll do the substitution. So you substitute 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y as n. So what will be your new equations?
I can do that. I can do that.
Okay, good. And then you can, the new equations you can solve by simultaneously or Cramer's rule.
Cramer's rule.
Whatever you feel easy, do that.
I get 2m minus 3n equals to 15 and 8m minus, 8m plus 5n equals to 77. So I solved from Cramer's rule, right? So minus sign in the middle, right? I forgot. In
It is
Cramer's
what?
rule, there's always a minus sign in the middle, right?
Yeah, when you do the subtraction, yes.
No. Like D is 2, 8 minus C and 5. So 2 into 5 minus 3 into 8, right?
Yes, correct, correct.
Yeah, dx is 308 and dn is 34. No, sorry. dm is 306. So x is equal to, x is equal to, m is equal to dm upon d, which is 306 upon 34, which is 306 upon, is 9. can't hear you, but yeah, you said
Yeah,
yes. Okay.
correct. 9.
And n is dn upon d, which is 34 upon 34, which is 1.
So the values of m and n you got. So m is 9 and n is 1. After this step, one more step is there. What is that step called?
What is that? You have to put it on. You have to put it in n.
Yeah, that is called as resubstitution.
Yeah, research.
Resubstitution. So 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Substitute the values and tell me what will be x and y.
So 1 upon x is equal to 9, and 1 upon y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 9 into 1. No,
Reciprocal.
you can't do that.
You
You
can't
can't
do
do
that.
that. Yeah, correct. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 9.
Take reciprocal both the sides. So what is reciprocal of 1 upon x?
Okay, so x upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 9.
And x upon 1 is just 1 because anything divided by 1 is that itself. And what about
Yes.
here? Y?
So y is equal to 1 upon 1.
Which is?
So y is equal to 1.
1. So x
I'll
is
just
1
write that.
upon 9 and y is 1. You can write final solution. X comma y equal to 1 upon 9 comma 1.
Can't hear you. Hello?
Yeah, you can't hear. Can you hear me? Hello?
Can you say something so that I can hear you?
Yes. Can you hear me? No? Can you hear? Can you hear me now?
Oh yeah. Now I can hear you. But your voice is breaking a lot. I guess it's I have a problem. Just one second.
Internet connection.
It's showing me that because it's showing me that my network is unstable.
And yeah, that could be the reason.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, even I can hear you. Yeah.
Are you done with this sum?
Yes.
Okay, so we can move on to the next one. The next one is a little bit different. In this, in the denominator, we have x plus y and x minus y. The steps that will follow will be exactly the same as you did in the previous sum. Only little bit extra step will be when you do the resubstitution. There you'll have an extra step there. Everything the same, only little bit lengthy this sum would be. Okay, so let's write the equation first. 10 upon, okay, this, write the numerator outside the bracket. So 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Is this clear what I did? Exactly same like the previous one. Same thing for the next equation, 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we'll do the substitution. So 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, you substitute it as m, and 1 upon x minus y, you substitute it as n, the entire thing. Okay, now after doing the substitution, can you tell me what will the new equation be? Can you tell me what will be the new equation after substitution? Yeah.
Yes. So it'll become 1 upon x plus y is m. So 10 m. I don't know the equation, just one
Yeah,
second.
I've written here, na? See from here only.
Okay, 10m plus n plus 2n equals to 4.
The next one.
15m plus minus 5n is equal to minus 2.
So these are the two new equations, and this you can do by Cramer's rule or whatever rule you want, however you want. So let's do it by Cramer's rule only. So 10, 15, 2 minus 5. So this will become 10 into minus 5, that is minus 50, minus 15 into 2 will give you 30. Minus 50 minus 30 minus plus. So it becomes 70, and you put sign of the greater number, that is minus 70. Is this clear?
Yes.
Then you find out dm. So when you find out dm, use a in place of these two numbers, you replace it with the right hand side values. So 4 minus 2, 2 minus 5. Do the cross multiplication. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, minus 2 into 2, or minus 2 into 2 will give you minus 4. So you have minus 20 plus 4. So minus 20 plus 4, you do subtraction. So 20 minus 4 is 16. And then you put sign of the greater number, which is minus. So it becomes minus 16. And lastly, dn. So we keep the first as it is, 10, 15, and replace this with your right hand side. So that will be 4 minus 2. So 10 into minus 2 is minus 20, minus 15 into 4 is 45, I think. Sorry, 65.
60. 15 into 4 is 60.
60, sorry, 60. And minus 20 minus 60 will give you minus 80.
Minus plus bigger number sign.
Now you find out m. So m will be dm upon d. So dm you got minus 16, and d is minus 70. So firstly, you cancel the minus sign from the numerator and the denominator. And you can cancel this by, let's start it with 2. So 2 8s are 16, and 2 3s are 6, 5s are 10. So 8 upon 35, and this cannot be reduced further, so we'll keep it as it is. So m is equal to 8 upon 35. Then n is equal to dn upon d, and dn we got minus 80, and d we got minus 70. First, you can cancel the minus sign from the numerator and the denominator, and then this 0 with this 0 will get cancelled, and you are left with 8 upon 7. So n is equal
You can
to...
cancel 8 and 35.
No.
No, you can't. You can cancel
No.
7 and 35.
Yeah, 7 and 35, 8 and 35 cannot be there. So we keep it as it is. So this is the value of m and n. Up to here, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to, we are not finished with the sum yet, but I want you to write up to here. Okay, understand properly. If you are having doubt at any step, then you can ask me. Okay, write up to here, and then once you finish up to here, we'll continue the sum. Make sure you write each and every step, and whichever step you write, understand that step and then write. Okay, one minute. Just stop writing for 1 minute. Okay. One small mistake here. Minus 50 minus 30 is actually... Can you tell the mistake here? Yes, can you tell me what is the mistake here?
Minus 80.
Yeah, minus 80. This D is minus 80. So this also will change 10 of us.
Ones and yeah, so everything.
So this would become minus 16 upon minus 80. Cancel the negative sign. So you have 16 upon 80. And I think this is 1 upon 16, 5s are 80. Yeah. Or you can do it slowly also. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, and 2 zeros are. So 8 1s are, 8 5s are 40. So you have 1 upon 5. So m is equal to 1 upon 5. Same thing, dn is minus 80 and d is also minus 80. So this would become 1. So n is equal to 1. I hope
Okay,
no
can I
doubts.
write it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
continue.
no doubts.
Continue.
Yeah, done.
Okay, so we'll continue. So m is 1 by 5 and n we got it as 1. Now we have to do the step that is called as resubstitution. Okay, so what did we substitute initially? We substituted 1 upon x plus
X
y
plus y is equal to m.
equal to m, and 1
1
upon
upon x minus y is equal to n.
is equal to
Minus y, sorry.
n is equal to n. Okay, so let's substitute the values of m and n. So 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5, and here 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, now here if you see, we have an equal to sign. Okay, so you do cross multiplication. Okay, so when you do cross multiplication, 1 into 5 is 5, and 1 into x plus y is x plus y itself. And one very important point to note, that when there is an equal to sign and you do cross multiplication, you do not multiply the denominators. Okay, is this clear what I said just now? I'll repeat. When there is an equal to sign and you do cross multiplication, you do not multiply the denominators. But if there is a plus sign or if there is a minus sign and then you do cross multiplication, then you multiply the denominators also. Did you get the difference? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now same thing here. So this is 1 upon 1. So when you do the cross multiplication, this becomes 1 is equal to x minus y. Is this clear?
Yes.
So you see we get two new equations. So you can just rewrite these equations. So x plus y is equal to 5, and x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, just rearranged it or written it in a proper way. Now these two equations, you solve it simultaneously. So you can use Cramer's rule or whatever, but Cramer's rule will be a little lengthy here. So simultaneously, if you solve it, you'll get a short answer. You'll get the answer immediately. So x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. So can you see what is getting cancelled?
Plus y minus y you can cancel.
Yes.
So
And then
2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3.
x is equal to 3. And then you substitute this in any equation. So let's substitute in
The
this.
first equation.
Yeah.
In the first equation, will it work?
Yeah, it will work. Any equation, it will work. So x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to plus 3, take on the other side. So 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. So this is your final solution. So solution x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. Is this clear?
Done.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. Yes. That's it.
Done.
Okay. So we'll do the third one. Third one is comparatively easy, although it looks there are big numbers, but it is easy. So exactly same way. So we have.
It has the same type of fraction denominator.
Yeah, it has to
X
have the
minus
same.
2, x
Yeah, yeah.
minus 2.
Yes, it has to have the same type of denominator. Then only you can solve it simultaneously. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible. So we have here 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. The first equation. Second equation, 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Now we'll do the substitution. So you substitute 1 upon x minus 2 as m, and you substitute 1 upon y plus 3 as n. Okay. So now can you tell me what will be the new equations after the substitution?
27m plus 31n is equal to 85, and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89.
Okay. Now look at this carefully. Look at this simultaneous equation carefully. 27n, 27n, 31n, 31n. So how do we solve such type of simultaneous
Add it
equation?
and then minus it.
Yes, add it and then you subtract it. So let's add this first. So how much is 27 plus 31? 58 m plus 31. Here is the same thing. 58 n is equal to 85 plus 89. 65
Add, right?
20. Yeah, you're adding it. 204. Am I right?
4.
No. 7, 8, 8,
174.
Yeah. 170. Okay. And then.
No. It's 1 second. I'll just do it.
Yeah, it's correct. 174. 8, 85 and 80 will give you 160 with 165, and 165 plus 9 will give you 174.
Yeah, it's right. 170. Yes. 174.
So you divide throughout by which number?
By 2. No, 1 second. 58. What's the 174? I don't know.
You can reduce it. No? So first of all, you divide throughout by 58. So this becomes 58m upon 58.
So do you divide in 58 by 174? You get 0.333333.
Yeah, it's
so
okay.
they're not.
Keep it, but don't take decimals. Don't take decimals. Keep it in fractions. So 174 upon 58. Because working with decimals will be difficult, so it's better you keep it in fractions. Three. No, I think you did some mistake. Let's reduce it. So this cancel, this and this cancel. And you are left with 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 11 and 87, 29, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. cancelling. 29 ones are 29 threes are 87. So m plus n is equal to 3.
Oh.
This is divided, no?
8 divided by 174 is 0.3.
How did you get 0.3?
I did not get the calculator is showing me 0.3.
Do it again. Do it again on the calculator.
Oh no, now it's showing me 3.
So
Maybe I did 58 divided by 174. I thought 174 divided by 58.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But
In division, it doesn't matter however you take it.
No, it does. It does. It does matter. It does. Your dividend and you change your dividend and divisor rule. Yeah? So that's why it does matter. But in the exam, you will not be able to use calculator. So you have to do the calculation manually.
Yes.
So this is the first equation. M plus n is equal to 3. Okay, this is a little bit lengthy sum. Okay. So now here you added it. Now you have to subtract it. Let's do the subtraction here itself. So 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. 31m plus 27n.
What if it was 0.3? Then what would happen?
Then you don't take it as 0.3. You take it as a fraction. 0.3 you get by you'll get it as by dividing two fractions only you'll get 0.3. So don't take 0.3 but keep it as a fraction.
As in 174 upon 58 only.
Yes. Or it will get reduced, right? You can reduce a fraction. So now here you have to subtract. So when you subtract, what do we do? Change the sign throughout. Do you remember? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
27 minus
figure out.
27 minus 31, how much is it?
4m.
And sign? Sign of the greater number. So plus 4 or minus 4? Yes?
Minus.
Yes, minus 4.
Sorry, I didn't know what I was thinking. I thought I already gave you the answer, so I was thinking of the ahead ones.
So minus 4m plus 4n is equal to 85 minus 89. So that will be minus 4. Now here you will divide throughout by 4.
So minus m plus n is equal to minus 0. Minus 1.
Yes. So divide by 4 to get minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. So this is the next equation. You see the two new equations. First one was m plus n is equal to 3. Second one was minus m plus n is equal to minus 1. So now this, instead of Cramer's rule, easier way would be simultaneous equation. So solving it simultaneously, we'll just give it names. So 1, 2. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So m and minus m cancel. So you have 2n is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2.
I just have one question.
Yeah.
After this, or I'll ask you, if it was m plus n and minus m minus n, so m and n both would get cancelled. So what would be the answer then?
If it would be m plus n and if it would be minus m minus n.
Minus n.
This way you're saying, no?
Yes,
then
yes.
there would be no answer for it. There would be no solution.
Everything would be cancelled.
Yes, everything would get cancelled. And you would get 0 equal to something, some number. Suppose if it is just 3 and minus 1, same thing. You'll get 0 is equal to 2. And this is not possible. 0 cannot be equal to 2. So you directly write after this, if the scene is like this, if your sum becomes like this, you directly write no solution. Clear?
Yes.
So here n is equal to 1. And then you substitute it in some equation. So let's substitute in the first one. M plus n is equal to 3. So you have m plus 1 is equal to 3. Take 1 on the other side. So you have m is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the value of m and n you got. M is 2, n is 1. Okay, the sum is not over yet. Still resubstitution is left. Do it up to here. Can you write it up to here?
Can I take a screenshot?
Okay, yes. Will you be able to do the resubstitution for homework? And also one more thing, if you are
Yes, I
having
can do
doubt,
that.
yeah, if you're having doubts, or if you're stuck in any sum, you can refer to the recording, okay? I hope you're referring to the recording. Okay.
Yeah.
So this sum, you complete it, and also the previous two sums that we solved, practice it once again. Okay, 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Okay, your homework from practice at 1.4, question 1, question 2, you have to do it again, and question 3, you have to complete it. Okay?
Yes, by tomorrow, right?
Yes. And also send me 1 hour early. 1 hour before the class, send me your solutions.
Yeah.
Okay? So that I may check it first.
Yeah, on Saturday or Sunday, are you wanting to take a class? Because the science, like Renuka teachers told me that she's going to take extra classes. So, do you also want to take extra classes?
She's going to take extra on Saturday.
Yeah, she's going to take from 3 to 4. So, you are
I'll
like
let you
from
know
4 to 5.
tomorrow. I will see your syllabus first properly, how much time you require, and I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay?
Not on Sunday, on Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.